So this video is to teach you about making sure that all your footage is in the right folders and everything is in the right place. There's going to be a series of little short 2, 3, 4 minute videos just to get you into Premiere and how to use it from the beginning. So the first thing you're going to do is create your main folder where all your project stuff's going to go. So that's going to be footage, music, graphics, anything that's to do with your project is going to go in this folder, and that'll either go on your portable hard drives, or if you're working from home, it might go into your movies or video documents, wherever you want to store it. First thing you're going to do is create a master folder where everything's going to go. So I've called it tutorial example, and then within here I'm going to drag in all my footage. So I've got skate footage in this folder. Make sure you name it. I've also named the footage. Again, makes it much easier. So if you're making short films, maybe you're going to do it by scene, scene 1, scene 2, and then you might name it close up, wide shot, make it match your shot list. You'll also make a folder for every element. So for me, there's going to be a music folder, and in there I'm going to place my music that I'm going to use. Even though it's only one track, make sure that you keep everything organized and in place. So when you come to look at it in Premiere, you just know where everything is. It will vastly speed up your internet. It will vastly speed up your ability to edit. Also in your folder, you might have some graphics, you might have some extra elements in there, you might want to put all your briefs and everything. So again, make extra folders for everything that you're going to have a part of. So you might have a graphics folder. You might have a documents folder for anything that's documented within your files, so it might be shot lists or any notes that you want to put in there. Just make sure that everything is organised and in place. It will really make your life a lot easier when you come to edit your footage within Premiere, and I'll show you that in the next video.